Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will try to do something, I don't know, a little weird. I did, not weird, a little different. This is the first time that I do that. I will use this, I painted my canvas with this Anthraquinone blue. I will put the name into the description box, and I have this really deep edged canvas. Just a second, just to see. It's 6 centimeters. I don't know what is this in inches. 6 centimeters, 2 inches, something. So it's really deep, and I did this wrong. So I painted my canvas with this, and it's dry, and I will do a ring pour, traveling ring pour on this deep sized edge, you see, and I will put tape here that I will keep my paint here and let it fall here, if this makes any sense. So I have this tape, you know, frog tape, and I will put it here, and then I will layer my cup and tell you my colors. Okay, I will just put this aside for a second, and I will use this 1 ounce cup. I have 2 of them, if maybe it will not be enough. And my paints are quite thick because I don't want or maybe better, I want this to be, you know, thick, not to flow all the way around. So let's see if this is possible even. So I will start with artist colors, cadmium yellow, lemon hue, and I will pour a little of pearl white. And I have artist colors, cardinal red, and I have artist colors, alizarin crimson, and artist colors, dioxazine purple, and this Vallejo one, this blue one, that it's a base, the same color, and pearl white. And I will repeat this, and we will see what will happen. Here is my cup, and I will put this back this way. So let's see what will happen. I think that I need one more, and I will start again with yellow and some pearl white just from up high. Maybe I will pour just more layers of one color. Thickest layers of one color, I should say. So I will start here this time. This was a mistake, but I can fix that later. So let me tilt this a little bit back, because I have a lot of paint on some places. I will just try to tilt that a little bit off. Still a lot of paint there. I just have to probably dirty quart cup would work better than this one with the ring pour, layered cup. For this technique, I just want to, I can touch this with a brush later, but just want to get rid of that last drip that I did. Okay, and I will tilt it just once more. Because the third one from the left I want to be a little longer, or how can I say? Okay, now I will stop and I will touch the sides later because I messed them up totally. Well, this is my first try, so I know what to do differently for the next time. Just have to take this off. I don't know what to say. I will say that I will try this again, but I will thin down my paints a little bit because it was a little too thick, and I will do small rings because I think that would look better if I would do just those rings, you know. I have to wipe this and, you know, this part. So definitely you don't want to let paint go towards the edge, because otherwise, or you have to lift it, had it lift from the surface for the whole time, otherwise you will get that I did. So here it is. This is what I'm talking about, that it's just not okay. And you see, there should be probably little rings, or even maybe straight pour, not a ring pour. I don't know, but I think that it definitely has the potential for some nice piece of abstract art. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye!